Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to recover old Yahoo account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in yahoo.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Yahoo. So you might be trying to access your old account. You might have forgotten the password, so you might want to recover it. So if you want to access your old account and recover your account, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. In this interface, if you remember your password and username, you can simply enter it and log into your account. But if you want to recover your account, for that, what you have to do is click on this option, forgot username. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to enter your email address or phone number registered with your account. You can also enter the recovery phone number or recovery email address over here. So simply enter the email address or phone number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. If you have set up the verification methods, they will be displayed over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the verification method that you would like to use. Here I'm just going to click on the option email. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail will be opened. Yahoo has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Yahoo tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you enter the code, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now if your account has two-step verification turned on, you'll have to select the verification method. You'll be able to find the options like email, WhatsApp. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for WhatsApp, you'll have to confirm your info by simply entering the 2 digits. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now click on the option send code. Now verification code will be sent to your number. Simply enter that code over here. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. Now you'll be able to access your old account. So like this, your account will be recovered. So that is how you recover old Yahoo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.